This lady is carrying exactly what you think she is carrying. Then all sorts of sometimes unusual things get carried in India, some of which you will see in the next 4 minutes of film. These pictures were taken just on the other side of the road from our hotel, and that was within 15 minutes of arriving in this very special city. Holy water is being carried by these highly decorated harnesses, and I'm told it must never touch the ground. The containers, I suppose. Many thousands of men just like these walk for seemingly ever carrying this precious liquid. The colourful water carriers have got quite a relaxed job compared with what is expected of this man. But then it is a living. There she is, the gem of all architecture. But we will see more of her after the coach. It would probably take a dark match commentator to do the lady real justice. The wise man, however, doesn't try to describe it, he just looks. Another famous lady named Margaret Thatcher once tried to describe it in an interview, but then she would, wouldn't she? This is one thing you can carry in India, but you can't take it away. Just outside Agra, we saw the strongest living carrier of all. There are not too many working elephants in the northern sector of India. There are down south, so this was a prize. And during this filming, I got a prize on the sole of my shoe. Agra has a wealth of fine buildings, usually extravagant tombs. This one is the tomb of the great Mughal Emperor Akbar. But after the Taj, I was more interested in the people. On sale in most tourist shops throughout the world are pretty dolls dressed in their national costumes, and usually that's the only time you see it. Not so in India. Nobody dresses more colourfully, and nobody could carry it off better than the ladies and girls of the great country.